Kuya, my question. I have a question.
Yes, mother.
Okay, earlier I found out that you didn't like hearing music. So, can you tell me the reason behind it?
Most secular music that we have today have demonic influences in them. Let's say some music or most music have lyrics in them that are profane, that talks about sex, drugs, and even though you don't really like do them, these lyrics have subconscious influences in your mind. And even then, some music also have demonic frequencies rather, that makes it so that you cannot get it out of your head. And so I'm talking about how one of the biggest achievements of Satan, or his main goal, in essence, is to distract you. So when you have music in your head, you will not be able to hear the voice of God. And a lot of music that we have today are meant for distraction and also have demonic influences that change your subconscious mind. And so, what I'm telling you here is be wary and don't just accept anything that you receive from the world, because this world will only try to make you pull pull you into this unimaginable depths of dopamine. So, just like what Jesus told us, do not conform with the world, but go against it. Deny yourself, deny your desires, and come to Him. God bless you.
Okay, Kuya. Thank you.